The WATBKHE Foldable Power Tower feels impressively solid, with a thick steel frame and a triangular base that resists wobble even during more explosive pull-ups and dips. Its multiple height adjustments on both the uprights and support frames make it easy to dial in a comfortable setup for different family members and a wide range of exercises. The heavy-duty construction and protective coating give confidence that the station can handle serious strength training and regular use in either a home gym or a garage. When you are done training, the tower folds down to a slim, tall profile that can slide behind a door or along a wall, which is a major advantage in smaller spaces. The generous exercise width and textured, non-slip handles and feet create a safer, more comfortable platform for pull-ups, dips, and leg raises without feeling cramped. Because it supports pull-ups, dips, push-ups, knee raises, and other bodyweight moves in one footprint, this tower works well as a compact, all-in-one station for full-body workouts.